Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful flower. So here I have used milk cotton 4-ply yarn, and for this project I have used 3 mm crochet hook. So you can use this flower for hat or in any baby items. So hope you will like it. Let's get started. Make slip stitch, then make 5 chain, slip stitch in the first chain, then make 1 chain and make 12 single crochet in this ring. Now slip stitch in the first single crochet, now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. Now join another yarn, now make 3 chain, then make 3 treble crochet in next chain. Make 3 chain, make slip stitch in the next stitch. So this way make all the petals. Now slip stitch in the previous stitches. Now give a knot and cut the extra yarn.